Alright, video on my Tonka's, Nylint, structos, wine dots, all of it, and some custom ones. There it is. I'm gonna show you all of my cars, some custom ones. See these? This is one of them. Metal. They have these little clips inside. See that? So like right now it's up. All you gotta do is push it down, and now slam to the ground. Does the same thing with the back too. So it's kind of hard one hand, but more or less up. It's supposed to go higher. Cool, huh? And it's a roller, they roll. Next one. I'm gonna put this guy up here for now, just to show you the rest of them. This was one of those Pacer GT cars. Take the front bumper out, looks a little better like this. I'm gonna cut a hole, put a grill, use some different tires, and it looks pretty cool. Yeah. Next one. One of my first ones was this one. Tires on, see that? No cutting, straight painting and cleaning. Get this like textured thing, but it's not really textured, but it looks pretty cool. Anything on the top, real nice. Look at my bad boys. Look at this one. Look at these. Let me move some of these a little bit back so we have some more room to show you guys. So you guys can see all my stuff. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put a couple down on the ground. You can see all of my stuff little by little. Okay. Alright, like we were this one right here. Okay, so we said this one. See that? Nice. These right here. This was a structo missile launcher. It was a tandem. 2 wheels in the back. But I like it like a hot rod look, so I cut it and I did that. All I want to do is I'm gonna bring my welder. It's at my shop. Make some actual tubs. That's what I'm gonna do for all of them when I have more time. Look at that. I even went as far as to cut. Let me show you. Bring this guy over here. This guy's a nice guy right here. Okay, now see the bumper, little clearance. That's it. See, my finger can barely. Okay. See all this bumper, all that. See all this? I cut like from here down. Then see the side, how much space it takes up. I cut it there. See that? It's just barely the edge. Looks real nice. Compared to this one that takes up the whole space, but for a hot rod look, I think it look a whole lot better. Back over here for now. Alright, now, like I said, this guy, structo missile launcher. Like this guy. Oops, the tire fell. That's okay. Gotta get a bigger axle. There we go. This is it, guys. See? Sanded it all the way to the metal, then gave it like this crazy like colors to it. I sanded it. Look at that. Looks nice. Alright, next one. Get this one out the way. Nice hot rod truck. Same thing with the bumper. This one, there's a suspension nut, so you can see it better here. See, so there's that. And you want to slam it even more, just lift the suspension. See that? If you want to slam it down, just lift it up. You just push this down. It's kind of hard with one hand. There we go. See how I did it? Not much. The others go more, but I just wanted this one more slammed than all the way down. Total body slam. Nice wheels. They're all rollers. They all roll. Now comes. We'll do this one first. This guy is nice. Look at this guy. Big fat tires in the back. Look at that. Nice. Same thing all the way to the metal. And pow, what's that for you? Look at that. See that? Bam. And then my next ones are my Nylints. Look at this guy right here. These all have the suspension, like I said. So if you want to just go like this, see that? Same thing with the back. Hold on. Let me do the back. See that? Now it's jacked up. Look at that. And if anything, you just slam it down. Bam, slam. Look at that. Like that. I got this one in white, which I just finished a couple hours ago, actually. Finish putting the wheels and all that. This one here is stock. Nothing to it. All I did was change the wheels. Since the stickers and everything are so perfectly stuck on it, no tears, no nothing, I keep it stock. Then aside from that one, I have an all metal. Look at that one too. Let me put it next to this one. Hold on, I'm trying to fix all these up here so they won't fall. There we go. Which one do you like? Which one would you drive? This Chevy? This Chevy? This Chevy? And there's that one. One of my first ones I made. And then there's that crazy evil guy that I made. I made that one out of a bunch of car pieces and metal I had in my shop. And it actually fires 22 blank shells out of there. Cool, huh, people? Alright, show you more next time. Thank y'all.